I used a simple trick to get more clients for my SMMA. Here is the proof. These are the list of the gyms that I run the ads for. A lot of people know how to get leads, but they struggle to turn them into paying clients. Just 3 months ago, I was in the same spot, getting leads but not knowing how to actually close them. I watched a ton of YouTube videos, testing different strategies, and by the last week of February, I finally figured it out. Now, I want to share what worked for me so you can start closing more deals too. If you are new here, hey, I'm Arpit, a college dropout chasing the dreams I wrote down on paper. I started this YouTube channel to document my journey of about achieving my goals and help others to do the same. So, let's get into it. So, step 1, using a sales script. When I first started calling leads, I didn't have a script, and honestly, my calls were a mess. The key is to create two simple scripts, one for the first call and another for closing the deal. If you don't know how to write a sales script, watch my video on the Closer Framework by Alex Hormozzi. It breaks down everything. But the main thing is, don't just read off the script like a robot. Use it to keep your call structured and tweak it as you go until you start consistently book meetings. Step 2, the call timing. Speed is everything. Here is a crazy stat. People who get called within 1 minute of signing up for anything are 369% more likely to buy. That is why speed matters. If possible, add a call now button so leads can talk to you instantly. Big companies literally pay employees 10,000 a month just to call lead fast because it boosts sales by 55%. If you wait, someone else will close them first. I lost deals just because I called too late. Don't make the same mistake. Step 3, call more than once. Follow up win deals. Most people call a lead once and give up. That is why they struggle to close sales. You need to call each lead at least 3 times a day for a week until they book a meeting or tell you that they are not interested. Some of my best clients ignored my first few calls, but after a few follow-ups, they finally answered and closed. Think about it. If you really need something, wouldn't you keep calling your family until they pick up? Apply the same mindset to sales. And step 4, be available. Make it easy to book. Imagine your favorite store was only open for 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. If that time didn't work for you, you will go somewhere else, right? The same thing up happens in business. If leads can't find a time that fits in their schedule, they will go to your competitor. So keep your calendars open so you can never miss out on sales. Step 5, be ready and make it personal. Before every call, spend 5 to 10 minutes checking out their social media or website. This helps you to personalize your pitch and show them you actually understand their business. One time, I mentioned a gym's recent transformation post in my call, and the owner was shocked. Even I noticed. That one small detail helped me to close that deal. At last, my final thoughts. If you are new to sales, here are the first things you should do to boost your sales. Implement the strategies I mentioned in the video. Stay consistent and keep learning. Try them out and let me know your results in the comments. So that is for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.